Meaning of decisively.
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 Decisively. The term decisively suggests a conclusive and final outcome or result. It implies a resolute and firm action taken to bring about an end to a situation, leaving no room for ambiguity or uncertainty. When something is done decisively, it is done with determination and purpose. The decision-making process is made easier as the course of action is clear, ensuring a successful conclusion. The term decisively can be used to signify the end of a long-standing dispute, the victory over an opponent, or the resolution of a complex problem, among other things.